I know it's been a minute since you guys have heard this voice, but before we get into that, let's get into the topic at hand, which is the current reigning queen of dancehall, Spice, addressing Red Rat. I wouldn't say addressing, but letting him know that he's not the first one to do the round and round way called the cowboy dancehall. Me, myself, don't even know. But let's get into what Spice has to say, and I'll catch you guys into the next.
You know one thing I appreciate the fact that my best of them not duns. You know you have some fan base and them dark and fool and not have no sense. My best of them bright. My best of them go to school. Them have sense. So you see for the 25 years where them see the mix up and them see the this and them pick sense out of nonsense. The girl them know say 1 + 1 = 2 and if you put one side of 1 it 11. And that me like with my bestie them. So I pin my bestie. My bestie says like they are so upset that they are holding on to your fan base so long and that about them. Yeah. Anyway, before I speak about this, I also want to say I'm a big fan of Red Rat. And so talking about this, it also makes me feel upset is not the word. It makes me feel sad. Because it's like every day I wake up, it's something else. Every day I wake up as something else, somebody else. It's like you wake up sometime in fear because you wonder who else are going to try to get some clout off of you or who else are going to come off of you because you're at the top. And when I wake up the morning and the fans send me and me hear Mount Masia say, Red Rat send her a DM and say, he did it first. I shake my head, you know. I'm shake my head and I just laugh. You know why I laugh? Red Rat knows how to find me. He know how to reach out to them, but he didn't send me a DM. Him said Mount Massey one mix up site. One man do this, you know. Me not talk about a woman. I'm talking about Red Rat, an artist where me love, where me grew up on. An artist that I'm a fan of. So when me see it, me shake my head because Mota Masia say, Red Rat say, the song when me do with Busta Rhymes, I him do it first in terms of this cowboy thing or this country and western thing mixed with dancehall, hip hop or whatever this thing. I think she play one interview and I say, me say, who do it first? It no matter who do it first. And Red Rat, you never do it first. I'm going to explain something to you, Red Rat, and I'm going to tell you why me feel offended. Or why I'm speaking about it and why I'm going to show you say where you do a fuckery and where you do wrong. Because you're a big man and me a big woman, but we can talk to each other like big man and big woman. You send a mix-up blog, a text. I'm going to tell you why it's cloud chasing and you are trying to say, because me I do hee-ha, country and whatever, round and round. I'm aware that you do the song round and round or whatever and country team, but you never do it first. Red Rat, you never do it first. Red Rat, may I talk to you? Me not talk loud because I don't want you to feel like I'm angry and me bugo yaga. Me just a reason. You never do it first. And when you did do your song, the person who did do it first never call you and tell us that them did do it before you. I'm going to tell you why I feel hurt as a woman in this business. Because the young artists, when name, look for him name, Khalid, Kayla lead, when name, Chub blood clot, that me can't take, you know. I go up on YouTube, because you now go trick me in other business. There are 25 years me doing this. 25 years. Wait, Josie Whale sang name. 25 years me doing this, so no nah trick me. Remember you have it one day, yeah. Where the song where Josie Whale do name? Yeah man, you tag him Red Rat Music. Tag him, make him come over here so come talk to me. Cause Moon mind me and Red Rat go on live right now. Make me prove something to him. Because Red Rat say film song come out 15 years ago.
In Bushwa.
Alright. YouTube, Josie Whale, Bushwa. Different somebody they may later bring up. Give me the song properly because I type it in. Or you not gonna trick me. Somebody tag Red Rat, tell him to come over my life since as a clout thing everybody I deal with palm me, everybody want bring me down.
Yeah.
Everybody want bring down Spice, so it's a bring down thing, but you don't know what me work too hard for reach which part me reach. Me nah sit down and make you tear me down. I just bullshit name?
Down there, bush out.
Somebody look for that song here and tell me when it come out, because Red Rat said him do it first and him do him song 15 years ago. I don't think say me a idiot in a music.
I just want to talk about now. I want to know that you're one of us, and a real cowboy and a legal Bible. Now, come to gigging down one Wednesday morning. Tied with some hens, with some friends. So I stopped at the bar, smoking my cigar when I heard 2 shots from behind. It was Howard who shot the bird on his back. Run away with my money like a rat. But I guess you never know, you never been known. My life is more precious than gold. Yo, lay, yo, lay, 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 yo, lay, yo, lay, 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 yo, lay, yo, lay, lay, lay.
Yo lay, yo lay, yo lay, yo lay. Red Rat! Red Rat is never you! Yeehaw! Mama class! Hold on, hold on! Hold on, Mama class! Red Rat! Hold on! Red Rat! It's never you do it first. Red Rat, remember say 25 years me in this, you know. Me and you in this thing together. So when you do things that me never remember, you remember, it's never you do it first. Yo lay, yo lay, yo. Red Rat, remember say me love you, remember me and your friend. Why you never call me on the phone? So I could remind you, say, Red Rat, but remember, say, when you did do your song after Josie Will never come out, come say him do it before you. You have to remember this music business in 1999, me start, you know. So I know a whole heap of things. You can't trick me in the music, that's why I know found you don't like me. Because me is one of them will stay consistent and true to the music. So I know from back then to now, Instagram. It's never you do it first, Red Rat. It's yo lay, yo lay, yo lay, yo. So you know, Red Rat. So you know what little clout now. You gonna be a mix-up site and I tell them say you do it before Spice. And Josie will never come out when you do your song in a Red Rat. Red Rat, when you do your song, Josie will never text nobody and say him do it first, you know. And guess what now? The guy with the artist name, come the man Levi. With the guy name, can we give everybody a bus? We highlight everybody, man. The young artist. Top 300 mil?
Top 300 mil.
Name of a K name. Give me the name good, let me call it, man. $10 Capri.
Yeah, low 10, Capri 100 mil.
Capri 100 mil, you're not even reaching at the race.
Come and show you something. Come and show them something.
Capri.
Hold
Hold on. What film song not out in the race? A Red Rat we deal with. We never have to go him just born what day. Him just come out.
Ago, but we can show them from when.
Hold on. This is the Great Levitate, in case you never know. It's him build the rhythm them on the album, so you not get the idea there. This is something I don't tell lie.
See there.
Hold on, make we flip this here.
The first rhythm build off my album.
Wait there, make we flip it, make them see.
See there. 24th.
Hold on, make we show them something.
24th of the 7th, 2023. You
can't see the date?
And then I have a video them from the recording session.
You want to type the date if you don't see the date when they read my bill. Because you don't understand say music not just come out so you know. You don't really understand how that's something I go. Music not just come out like this. Tell me if you can't see the date where Levite have right, yeah, so 24/7/2023.
The first, right, that's how Shana sit down with Billy Rhythm.
Play the rhythm, make them say which rhythm you attack.
Yeah.
That was round rhythm. That was round rhythm. And 1 year now me have the rhythm. 1 year now we have the song. So you know 100 Capri where you want name. We just born what day ya. You are coming at this race, you're not even in a this race yet. If you come say, I me follow you, but wait a minute. But Capri, wait a minute. You're not even in the race, you're the last. Round and back.
Watch
You
out.
Capri in the blood clot race, last round and back. Turn on yourself. See me I build my blood clot song 1 year ago. Watch ya. October 10.
2023.
Watch ya. Play it now. Play the audio.
Yeah. Trying to get him.
Cause phone no tell lie, you can't put them as something in a phone, you know.
Yeah.
You can't really tell lie on phone. Me never come back Khalid that way one year. My Red Rat me come back. Red Rat go 15 years and Khalid just bad. Remember Khalid the last in a race, you know, Red Rat in the middle. So a Red Rat me come back. So we never talk about where name Khalid. Khalid, you never do nothing first. You just come in a music, go sit down one side. You don't understand. Khalid, let me explain something to you. Since as you want to talk about who do it first, 10 Capri or Khalid, whatever, where you want name. Remember, say, the producer where I put out your song, Shanizel, is my producer first. Since as you want to talk about who to do it first, you were just coming to music where you don't know nothing yet. You're the last of the race. Shanizel and my producer first. He was my producer before you, so it's you who follow me. They could get this straight. Here I want done this. Click the link in my bio. 25 years in the music. Them can't hold me down and them can't stop me. Make sure say, just follow me for mix up and hype. Support the queen the real way because a world record we are going to broke. August 9 the album a drop. When you buy the album in order to come in at the VIP group, send me a screenshot and say, Queen, me's a real bestie, me buy the album. Nobody just listen to the song. Cut me done about him, you know. In a race, at this me come about. We don't see Josie Whale already. Let me understand, let me explain something to her. Yeah! You never do nothing first. The one that we do music. Music is something we come round. Music is something we live in a body yard. It go round and it come round. What wrong with you? Why don't you leave me alone? Me not trouble people. Red Rat, you could have called me. You could have called me. I would have pinch you and tell you.
But don't take your man so
You would have pinch you and tell you. Red Rat, me say the way I love you, you should just call me blood clot. Twinkle! Twinkle! Twinkle, big up yourself. My friend is, if you never know, yeah. Big up my nice clean friend Jada. Big up yourself, Twinkle. I love you like life itself. Yeah. No matter what them do, no matter what them try, they could have never make me hate you. You're crazy. Anything them say about you, I eat me at work with. Anything you say, I eat me at work with. Anything anybody wants to say about Jada, I eat me at work with. Me sorry. I eat me at work with. Big up yourself, Jada. Spice, love you like that. But I ask you, I Red Rat me come about Jada. Because after me do the little song, I say, round, round, round and round. Fling that ass, go round and round. Round, round, round and round. Shake that ass, make it touch the hee-ha. No long people are sing them something there. Why when me sing something when come out and I have something to say, and so much people are sing song and now come out and say, remember you know the one named 10 Khalil, you know. Him think say, him do something what day, you know. Red Rat never come out come say, I him do it before 10 Khalil, you know. You understand the reason when I talk about Levite. The man do the song what day, yeah. My song never come out yet, although I have my song long time, you know. Red Rat never DM Mount Massey and say, Mr. 10 Khalil come out with a song and I me do it first. But when me do my song, you DM people and I say, you do it first. You never listen to Josie Whale. You never listen. Who could that deal? Hee-ha! 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 Oh, you could have blood clot deal! Oh, you could have begs to the hee-ha! Hee-ha! Blood clot! Can't stay there. I come tell me about round, round and round. Hee-ha! That me I tell you no. When you too enough, leave me alone.